equipment deals, we have a 2013 Freightliner Cascadia 125 day cab truck. It has got an ISX Cummins in it, an Eaton 4 10-speed manual transmission, and it's got 621,000 miles on it. It is all DIFF approved, and we're going to be selling this on auction time and or pre-auction time. You can buy this truck before it goes to the auction. Save yourself some money. We're going to go ahead and give you a quick walk around video on this 2013 Freightliner and let you see it. It does have a sliding fifth wheel hitch in the back. It is air activated. The latch kingpin is not air activated. That's a manual by hand. It's got some nice 22.5 wheels on it. Some Bud all aluminum wheels on it. These front tires here in the front. This outside has probably got at least 95% tread. That inside there has probably got about 25 to 30, maybe 40% tread there. It does have airbags in the back. This truck is rated for 52,000 pounds, so it's got 46 Ks in the rear. As you can see, it does have the airbags, suspension. Here in the back, again, all aluminum wheels, inside and outside. Does have the 22.5s on it for the tires. These tires here, probably about 30% tread. On the driver's side, rear, front tandem axle, it's going to have about 75% tread there, I would say. These rear deals are in good shape. Besides this one right here has got a crack right through it. Looks like it's repaired, but it didn't work. It does have fenders on the rear. This is a DIFF truck. All aluminum gas tank on the passenger side. Paint, I would say, is probably about an 8 out of a 10. Nice Freightliner white. Go to the front wheels up here. Again, Bud wheels. This inside seal is not leaking at all. I'd say this front steer on the driver's side probably got at least 85% tread. Let's go to the driver's side and show you that. Driver's side, Bud wheel again. And it has at least 95% tread there. The front windshield is not cracked on the driver's side. It does have a few rock chips on the passenger side, but it is DOT approved, so you can go ahead and run that. It just had a full DIFF system reboot on it. Spent $2,600 on that deal there, so it is DEF approved. You're good to go to California, other states. As you can hear, that ISX Cummins runs very well. There's no ticks, no clings, and we're going to be selling this truck today. You can purchase this truck at Equipment Deals. Please contact us at 480-282-3319.